Did you ever wonder how to change your ClassDojo avatars? There are lots of little sets out there floating around on the internet that you can take advantage of, and they're pretty neat, and your kids really like the change up. So here's just a few quick instructions about how to make that happen. First of all, if you take a look in your Google Drive tonight, what you'll see is that under Shared with Me, I've shared CD Monsters Star Wars with all Parkview staff members. So if you right click on that, you will find the download button. Click on download and it will download this to your desktop. So you can go ahead and do that. I've already done it though, so I'm not going to take the time here in this one. Where can you find that download? Well, the really great thing is over here on your Finder. If you click on that, you can go in and you can find it under downloads, and you can see right here that my CD Monsters Star Wars are actually under the downloads. So it's really easy to find. Then what I did was I clicked and dragged, not like that though. I clicked to the side of it and dragged all the way down till I grabbed all 31. Go up a little bit. All 31 images. So you can see they're all here and they're all highlighted. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this and I'm going to put it down on the bottom for just a few moments. Go into your ClassDojo for Teachers, and up under Options, if you click on that, you'll find Edit Class. If you click on Edit Class and click on your hashtag teachers right here, you can click on the avatar that's already in place, and you can see that you can select new monsters. If you click on the monster sets right here, you're going to see that there's some new ones in there. Your ClassDojo and your critters are usually the ones you'll find. If you click on Create a New Set, go ahead and name yours. I'm going to name mine Star Wars 1 since I already have the set. You could just name yours Star Wars and then click on Create Monster Set. From here, you're going to click on the Upload Monsters. And this is really a neat feature because here you can choose those files. Well, those files are already up on my desktop, so I'm going to click that Finder to bring it back up, and I'm going to move that off to the side. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right in the middle of all these, and I'm going to drag it. And you can see right here, it's going to say, would you like to upload those 31 files? And I'm going to say, yes, I would, and click the upload. From here, you can watch that upload happen, and you can see the status bar moving around like this. In just a few moments, it'll say 100%. My upload's complete, and now I can see the set. I can see what I named my set, and I can also check on the set to make sure this is what I want. And then I can go ahead and click Save the Set, like so. And now I should be able to see that monster set, and I should be able to select the monster set that I want to select. In this case, it's Star Wars 1. And from here, I can click on any of the monsters that I like, and I can select a new monster just by clicking there and hitting Done. I can do that for all of my students and set them up. And that's all you have to do to change out your ClassDojo avatars. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.